Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to present my work on multiphase structures for Asian electromagnetic wave absorption. My name is Jenny Valentina Ospina Vasquez and my advisor is Professor David Moncada. Electromagnetic pollution is becoming a serious global issue. To solve this, we need materials that can absorb waste effectively. Multi-phase structures are very promising because their heterogeneous interface help improve absorption efficiency. Concepts: traditional single-phase absorbers have limited performance by complex multi-phase materials create interfaces that enhance polarization. Thus, the main goal of the research is to design composites with controllable structures to achieve better absorption. And methodology: in this study, I used hydrothermal synthesis to obtain Bc2 flakes. Then I applied a carbon coating to increase interface activity. Later, jar temperature annealing used done to provide structural stability. Finally, WS2 nanochips use led to the formation of multiphase interfaces. Characterization: to analyze the materials, I use several techniques: SRG, Raman spectroscopy, SIM, TM, HRTM, SPS, and VNA. Key results: the results show strong interfacial polarization. The reflection loss reached -66.35 decibels, which means very strong absorption. The effective absorption bandwidth used 5.2 gigahertz is a broad range. The excellent performance comes from several mechanisms: sharp distribution, enhanced carrier migration, multiple scattering, and defect-induced dipole polarization. Application: these materials have potential application in radar stealth technology, electromagnetic interference shielding, protection of sensitive electronics. This research demonstrates the first successful multiphase Bc2 composite with control interfaces. It achieves one of the highest absorption performances report and provides a new strategy for design in next generation absorbing materials. In conclusion, multiphase composites are a very effective strategy for electromagnetic wave absorption. The key factor is the role of the interfaces. This opens the way for advanced materials and practical application. Thank you very much for your attention.